Why do we struggle in understanding the origin and true meaning of life, consciousness, and reality? The reason we struggle to understand complex concepts like reality, consciousness, origin, and true meaning of life, and the nature of the universe, is that our perception is inherently limited. As human beings, we can only comprehend what we can perceive through our senses, which are bound to three dimensions. However, it's entirely possible that there are dimensions beyond our perception that we simply can't grasp. Imagine a living creature that only understands the three-dimensional world we live in. If there were a fourth dimension where things occur, this creature wouldn't be able to see, feel, or interact with that dimension. Consequently, they'd never be able to fully understand anything about it. Now think of human beings in a similar context. Perhaps consciousness is something that exists in another dimension, one we are unable to perceive. If this were the case, no matter how much we study consciousness, we may never fully grasp its true nature, because it lies beyond the limits of our sensory and intellectual capabilities. Another way to think about this is by comparing our understanding of microorganisms, like viruses and bacteria, to the idea that there could be higher beings beyond our comprehension. Microorganisms, for instance, are completely unaware that we as humans are studying them. They go about their existence with no concept of a higher being, us, observing and understanding them. In a similar way, there may be beings or entities far more advanced than us, who observe us while we remain unaware of their existence. Just as microorganisms can't comprehend humans, we may lack the cognitive or perceptual abilities to understand higher beings. In both cases, whether we're considering consciousness or the existence of higher beings, our limited perception of dimensions plays a key role in our inability to understand. The complexity of the universe, and perhaps our place in it, may extend far beyond what our minds and senses are equipped to perceive. It raises the possibility that we might need to rethink our understanding of reality itself to account for dimensions or entities that we cannot directly experience.